Jonestown, how one man's dream became one of history's greatest tragedies. What happens when trust turns into absolute obedience? In 1978, a remote settlement hidden deep inside the jungles of Guyana became the scene of one of the most shocking tragedies in modern history. The story begins with a man named Jim Jones. During the 1950s, Jones founded the People's Temple, a religious movement that attracted thousands of followers. He preached equality, racial unity, and helping the poor, ideas that inspired many people during a time of social division in America. As his popularity grew, so did his influence. Followers began relying on him not only for spiritual guidance, but also for important life decisions. Over time, former members said questioning his authority became increasingly difficult. Facing criticism and unwanted attention, Jones announced a bold plan: build a new community far away from the outside world. In the jungles of Guyana, hundreds of followers helped create a settlement known as Jonestown. Jones described it as a peaceful paradise where people could live together without discrimination or injustice. At first, many believed they had found exactly that. But life inside Jonestown became increasingly isolated. Residents worked long hours, communication with the outside world was limited, and Jones's influence over daily life grew stronger. Meanwhile, concerned relatives back in the United States began asking questions. They claimed family members were unable to leave freely. Their concerns eventually reached the U.S. government. In November 1978, Congressman Leo Ryan traveled to Jonestown with journalists and relatives to see conditions for himself. During the visit, several residents quietly expressed a desire to leave. As Ryan's group prepared to return home, a violent confrontation occurred at a nearby airstrip, resulting in several deaths, including the congressman. Back in Jonestown, events quickly took a tragic turn. By the end of that day, more than 900 people had lost their lives, making it one of the deadliest civilian tragedies involving an American-led group before the 21st century. The world was left stunned. Investigations revealed years of manipulation, isolation, fear, and unquestioning loyalty had played major roles in the disaster. Historians believe many followers joined with sincere hopes of building a better future, but gradually became trapped in an environment where independent thinking became increasingly difficult. Today, Jonestown is studied around the world as a warning about the dangers of unchecked power, manipulation, and blind devotion to any leader. It reminds us that asking questions, thinking critically, and protecting personal freedom are essential in every society. Nearly 50 years later, the name Jonestown still stands as one of history's most powerful lessons. What do you think? Could this tragedy have been prevented, or were the warning signs ignored for too long? Let us know in the comments and follow Chronicle Vault for more true stories that changed history.